Energy brings you quality choices with Goyle. Good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Tomorrow. Anything can happen once more. Yeah, we go fit enjoy the sorrow. In such times, we rely on insurance. Charlie, no need to borrow. Make I tell you about this fresh insurance way. Go fit save tomorrow. You fit do it with Momo. See, make a krawa. Monthly premium as low as 3 CD. Make a krawa. You can do it on your mobile phone. Easy. Make a krawa. Star 778 hash on MTN. Make a krawa.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same promo.
Hey, Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay. Hope you make the most of your money. Needs and fires to pay. Try me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. At Dancer Travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
welcome to the quarterfinals of the 2025 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. Congratulations to all the schools who have qualified for the quarterfinals and are thus seeded. Well done. I'm very pleased to announce that we have entered the Momo Money Zone. Each school's winning points at the end of the contest will be turned into cash and will be received by each of the 3 contestants and their coordinator. Momo is being very generous. At this stage, each point is worth 20 Ghana cedis, and the total amount will be doubled. Half of the amount will go to the coordinator, and the other half will go to the contestants. In this contest, we have Swedru Secondary School. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary. And Mpraeso Senior High School. Before we meet the contestants, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Momo from MTN. Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adanse Travels, Randare, Kivo Gari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. My name is Elsie Efakofman. I'm an Associate Professor of Biomedical Engineering and the Dean of the School of Engineering Sciences at the University of Ghana. I'm honored to be your quiz mistress. This, of course, is a primetime production. Now let's meet the contestants. Swedru Secondary School is represented by
Bedu Andrews.
Lai Prince.
You're welcome, gentlemen. How are you doing?
I'm pleased you are doing great.
That's wonderful. Yes, we would like to know a little about Swedru Secondary School.
Swedru Secondary School was the first school to be established by Sadefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah in the year 1959 in the central region of Ghana, and it has its name PAC, since it was the first school to be established by him. And our motto is Semper Cum Optimis.
What does that mean?
Always with the best.
Great. And so you are. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary is represented by
Jude Monu.
Joshua Rofa Bento.
How are you, gentlemen?
Yeah, fine.
Great. Please tell us about Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary.
Okay, so Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary is an all-boys Catholic institution in Efiduase in Koforidua of the Eastern Region. It was established in 1958, and they train priests over there. That's why there's a minor seminary. So, and they maintain one of the highest levels of discipline in the country.
All right, that's good. So, are you two gentlemen priests in the making?
No.
You are not in the seminary?
No, please.
You are in the senior high school?
Yes.
Okay. Best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Mpraeso Senior High School is represented by
Rosalinda Anshu.
Kumi Elvis.
You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Every time I see a mixed school that fills a young lady, I commend the school. So my commendations to you in Mpraeso Senior High School for fielding a young lady. All right, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are? All right, please tell us about your school.
Okay, our school is named Mpraeso Senior High School, and it is located on the mountains of Kwewu, specifically in Mpraeso. It was established in 1961 by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and our motto is Sumumbunum, which is the highest good. So we are here to perform nothing but the highest good.
All right, best wishes to you. Contestants, as always, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. This first round is the round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct. I'm expecting simple and direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available for a bonus. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, 1 bonus point. If not, there's a penalty, 1 point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. All questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. There is no bonus available yet, Pope John. Huh? Be patient. All right, so for this first set of questions, you have 30 seconds. I have a preamble to all schools, after which I'll come to you in Mpraeso. Okay, so this is the preamble. 2 springs of spring constants K1 and K2 connected in series carry a mass m that undergoes small amplitude oscillations. Find the angular frequency of the oscillations for the given values of K1, K2, and m. I hope you got your preamble. One more time. 2 springs of spring constants K1 and K2 connected in series carry a mass m that undergoes small amplitude oscillations. Find the angular frequency of the oscillations for the given values of K1, K2, and m. Now in Mpraeso, K1 is equal to 2 kilonewton per meter, K2 is equal to 3 kilonewton per meter, and m is equal to 3 kilograms. Is that hand up, Rosalinda?
We have 2 by 10 exponent 1 rad per second.
You're right. Pope John, with the same preamble, K1 is equal to 3 Newton per meter, K2 is equal to 4 Newton per meter, and M is equal to 21 kilogram. Bentel.
0.3 radians per second.
You're right. With the same preamble, Swedru, K1 is equal to 5.0 kilonewton per meter, K2 is equal to 3.0 kilonewton per meter, and M is equal to 3.0 kilogram. Yes, Andrews.
0.7 1 radians per second.
That's incorrect. Okay, go ahead. Bentel.
25 radians per second.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the value of the constant k if one root of the given equation is twice the other root. That's the preamble. Find the value of the constant k if one root of the given equation is twice the other root. Mpraeso, your equation is x squared plus kx plus 8 is equal to 0. Elvis.
K is negative 6, and the roots are 2 and 4.
2. All right. Pope John, with the same preamble, your equation is x squared plus kx plus 72 is equal to 0. Yes, Bentel?
K is negative 18.
2.
Oh.
2 out of 3. Swedru, with the same preamble. X squared plus kx plus 98 is equal to 0. Andrews.
K is equal to plus or minus 21.
You are right. Okay. So in Mpraeso, I did not ask you for the roots. I don't want roots. I asked you for the value of k. And the right answer is plus or minus 6. You gave me negative 6. I gave you 2 out of 3. Pope John. The right answer is plus or minus 18. You gave me negative 18 and waited like you had finished. So I gave you 2 out of 3. If you have an answer, give it directly. Don't be waiting around. Next set, 30 seconds. Mpraeso, given that 11.2 decimeter cubed of oxygen is collected at STP from the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, what mass of water is produced? Elvis.
18.0 grams.
You're right. What mass of KCl is produced at STP if 67.2 decimeter cubed of O2 is collected at STP when potassium chlorate decomposes? Yes, Bentel.
Okay. So the mass is 149 grams.
You're right. Swedru, propane combusts completely in air. If 67.2 decimeter cubed of CO2 is collected at STP, what mass of propane was burned? Yes, Andrews.
Yeah, how many more? 6.25 grams.
That's incorrect. Mpraeso. Again. Yes. Okay, so please, may I ask, if I am in doubt, who am I to talk to now? Still you. Okay. Next set 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Apomixis encompasses several distinct types of asexual reproduction implants. Mention the type of apomixis implants to which the given description refers. Did you get the preamble? No. Okay, so when I get to your school, I will give you a description. And it's about apomixis, which encompasses several distinct types of asexual reproduction implants. You are to mention the type of apomixis implants to which the description I give you refers. All right, so Mpraeso, your description. It involves the direct development of an embryo from haploid egg cells or other haploid cells of the embryo sac without fertilization. Yes, Rosalinda?
Parthenocopy.
Pardon?
Parthenocopy.
No. We're bonus. I'll hold on to the answer. With the same preamble, Pope John. It occurs when embryos develop from cells of the nucellus or integuments rather than from the embryo sac. Yes, Bentel?
Okay, so it is mixed polyembryony.
No. For bonus. I'll tell you later. Swedru, with the same preamble. It is characterized by the development of the embryo sac from the megaspore mother cell via direct mitotic division or interrupted meiosis. Yes, Andrews?
Parthenogenesis.
That's incorrect for bonus. Okay, so the answers. Your description was referring to non-recurrent apomixis. Your description, Pope John, was referring to adventitious embryony or nucellar embryony. And Swedru, your description was referring to diplospory. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the temperature of helium gas at which the RMS speed of a helium atom is the value given. Did you get your preamble? Find the temperature of helium gas at which the RMS speed of a helium atom is the value given. All right, so now Mpraeso, your value is 0.78 kilometer per second. Yes, Elvis.
What is that?
Okay. It is 4.31 by 10 exponent 2 Kelvin.
That's incorrect for a bonus. All right, I'll give you your answer in a moment. With the same preamble, Pope John, your value is 1.6 kilometers per second. Bentel.
Okay. So the temperature is 2.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of 2 Kelvin.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Andrews.
4.1 by 10 to an exponent of 3 Kelvin.
Again.
4.1 by 10 to an exponent of 3 Kelvin.
That's incorrect. I'll tell you the answer in a moment. Your major question with the same preamble. Your value is 0.92 kilometers per second. Andrews?
1.3 by 10 to an exponent of 6 Kelvin.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Okay, now the answers. For you in Mpraeso, the answer was 98 Kelvin. Pope John, your answer was 410 Kelvin. And Swedru, 140 Kelvin. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. The preamble is short. Find the solution set of the inequality. Did you get your preamble? All right. So in Mpraeso, the expression x minus 1, this expression squared, multiplying the expression x plus 3 is less than 0. Yes, Elvis.
X is such that X is a member of all real numbers, where X is less than 1, or negative 3, less than X, less than 1.
That's incorrect. Yes, Jude.
The set X such that X belongs to all real numbers where X is not equal to negative 1 or X is less than negative 3.
I'm not going to give it for a bonus. I will tell you the answer later. All right. Your major question with the same preamble. The expression x plus 2, this expression squared, multiplying the expression x minus 3 is greater than 0. Yes, Bentel.
Okay, so the set of x such that x is not equal to -2 or x is greater than 3.
I'm not giving it for a bonus. All right, I'll tell you in a moment why. And then Swedru with the same preamble. The expression x minus 5, this expression squared, multiplying the expression x plus 6 is less than 0. Andrews.
X is such that x is a member of real numbers where -6 less than x less than 5.
I'm not accepting it for a bonus. Okay. So this is a case where I was expecting you to do some common sense check after you do your calculations, all right? So, of course, for the first one in Mpraeso, x is not equal to 1, and listen, no, and x is less than -3, or x is, yes, or x is less than -3. If you analyze this, you will see that you can summarize it very nicely as the set of x such that x is less than -3. That's all. Pope John, yours is a similar analysis you need to do. The right answer was the set of x such that x is greater than 3. Do you see why? You see it? And then Swedru, yours was the set of x such that x is less than -6. Have you noticed why? Okay. Have we learned something new? When you finish your calculation, do a common sense check. All right. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Provide the systematic name of the organic compound with the given condensed formula. That's the preamble. Did you get it? All right. Your condensed formula in Mpraeso, CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH2, CH, Br, CH3. Yes, Elvis.
We have it to be 2
Please,
bromo.
clearly.
2 bromo. 4 hexene.
That's incorrect. Yes, go ahead, Andrews.
5 bromo 2 hexene.
Yes. With the same preamble. With the same preamble, Pope John. Your condensed formula is CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CH, double bond C, open bracket, CH3, close bracket, subscript 2. Yes, Bento.
Okay. So it is 5 bromo 2 methyl 2 hexene.
You are right. With the same preamble, Swedru, your condensed formula. Open bracket, CH3, close bracket, subscript 2, CH, double bond, CH2, Br. Andrews.
We have 1 bromo, 6 methyl, 3 hexene.
That's incorrect. Mpraeso.
6 bromo, 2 methyl, 3 hexene.
That's incorrect. The right answer, 1 bromo, 5 methyl, 3 hexene. Last question of the round. It's one of those questions where I move around gathering right answers. No bonus, okay? So it's one question. I come to your table. Please provide a right answer which has not yet been provided. And this is the question. State one, only one difference between the composition of maternal blood entering the placenta and the blood leaving the placenta. Mpraeso, first choice. Yes, Rosalinda.
So the blood entering the placenta contains nutrients and oxygen, whilst the blood leaving the placenta contains waste products that are harmful to the baby, so they are excreted into the blood.
I'm not accepting it. I'm moving on. Yes, Jude.
Okay, so the blood entering the placenta, the maternal blood, has a higher oxygen content than, that means it is oxygenated, more oxygenated than the blood which is leaving the placenta, which has a lower oxygen content.
Yes. Swedru. Andrews.
Maternal blood entering the placenta contains antibodies which are transferred to the fetus, while maternal blood leaving the placenta does not contain antibodies.
I'm not accepting it. Okay, so listen to the possible answers. The first one is what Pope John gave us. The blood entering the placenta has more oxygen than blood leaving the placenta. Okay? Second possibility, blood entering the placenta has more food substances than blood leaving the placenta. You try to give me 2. That's why I didn't accept it, right? I asked you 1, state 1 difference. You give me 2, I'm not going to accept. All right. Next one, blood entering the placenta has less nitrogenous substances than blood leaving the placenta. And finally, 4, the blood entering the placenta has less carbon dioxide than blood leaving the placenta. And that brings us to the end of the first round. 3 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 7 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 15 points. Round 2. In this round, we have the Truster AI Speed Race. The speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. So in this round, I'm going to be presenting you with the questions at the same time, the same questions at the same time. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Mpraeso? Thank you. Pope John. Thank you. Swedru. Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly and it's the first attempt at the question, you get 3 points. If it's the second attempt at the question, you get 2 points. And if it's the third attempt at the question, you get 1 point. But please note, if you attempt to answer a question and you are unsuccessful, you lose a point. When you are called upon to answer the question, please get directly to it, because you have a 3-second window to provide your answer after being called. If you exceed 3 seconds, you will hear a bell. When that bell goes, whatever it is you are saying, which is likely to be a wrong answer, is what will be counted for you. For that reason, please do not start with preambles. Do not start with "we have." Do not start with "madam." Do not start with the same problem, repetition of the question. Just go straight to the answer. That's a word to the wise, right? Okay. All right. For questions which require calculations, you have up to 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds as usual. Best wishes to all 3 schools. First set of questions, 10 seconds each. First one. What name is given to an enzyme which is used to cut a DNA molecule at... Yes. Prince.
Topoisomerase.
Pardon?
Topoisomerase.
No. Did anyone else ring? No. So I continue. A DNA... Okay. Yes, Jude?
Restriction enzyme.
Yes, it's a restriction enzyme. Next one. Mention the tissue whose absence results in monocot stems and roots lacking secondary growth. Yes, dental?
Vascular cambium.
You're right. Next one. What adaptation in a fish enables its muscles to contract and relax to bring about undulating movement? Oh, nobody wanted that one. The adaptation is a flexible backbone. A flexible backbone. Next set, 30 seconds each. A 5.1 gram of pentanoic acid, a weak monoprotic acid with Ka 1.0 times 10 raised to the power -5 is dissolved in 0.50 decimeter cubed of deionized water. Calculate the pH. Yes, dental.
3.0.
You're right. Next one. A sample of a radioisotope decays from 128 grams to 1.0 grams in 2. Okay, go ahead, Elvis.
14.0 hours.
That's incorrect. I continue. In 2.1. Yes, Andrews.
0.30 hours.
You're right. What is the molar mass of the 13th member of the homologous series of R? Okay, go ahead. Bentel.
182.
That's incorrect. I continue. Homologous series of alkenes. Yes, Elvis?
182 grams per mole.
Did you ring? Yes, go ahead.
196 grams per mole.
Yes, that's the right answer. Next set, 30 seconds. And the first one is, a sequence is defined by the relation U subscript the expression n plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplying U subscript n plus 5 with U subscript 1 equals -2. Find the next 3. Yes, Jude.
1, 8, 29.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elvis.
-1, 2, and 11.
You're right. Solve the trigonometric equation. 2 multiplying cosine of x multiplying sine of x minus 2 multiplying cosine of x plus sine of x minus 1 is equal to 0 for x in the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes, Bentel.
X is equal to pi over 2 radians, or x is equal to 2 pi over 3 radians.
You're right. Find the equation of the line through the point A with coordinates -2, 3, and perpendicular to the line 5x minus. Okay, go ahead. Yes, Bentel.
3x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay. 5x minus 7y. Okay, Prince.
Okay. -7x minus 5y equals 1.
That's incorrect. Let me finish this one. Minus 7y is equal to 6. Yes, Elvis.
7x plus 5y equals 1.
You're right. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds each. First one. 2 particles move along the same straight line, one of mass 8 kilogram and acceleration 5 meters per second squared, and the other of mass 12 kilogram, and acceleration -4 meters per second squared. Find the acceleration of the center of mass of the particles. Yes, Jude.
Negative 0.4 meters per second squared.
You're right. Find the distance above Earth's surface to which an object projected vertically from the surface at 1.0 times 10 raised to the power 4 meters per second rises. Neglect air resistance and take the Earth's radius as, okay, go ahead, Bentel.
5.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of 6 meters.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay, so I continue. Take the Earth's radius as 6,400 kilometers. All right, the right answer is 2.5 times 10 raised to the power 4 kilometers. Last question. A 2 kilogram particle moving at 7.5 meters per second and a 5 kilogram particle moving at 3 meters per second undergo a collision after which the speed of the 2 kilogram particle is 2.5 meters per second. Find the speed of the other particle. Yes, Jude.
5 meters per second.
I proceed. After the collision... Oh, someone else rang. Okay, go ahead.
12 meters per second.
No. I continue for you, Mpraeso. After the collision and the coefficient of restitution for the collision. All right. Do you want to try for the coefficient of restitution? No, you don't want to try. You have given up. The right answer is 5 meters per second, and the coefficient of restitution is 5/9. Okay? You see that my consultants are getting more and more unpredictable over time. And I will encourage them to be adding all kinds of things at the end of the question. That's the end of the speed race. of the second round. Swedru Secondary School has 3 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 8 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 24 points. Round 3. This is a round with the problem of the day. At stake in the round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star is awarded to any school that is able to earn a perfect score of 10 points in this round. A star at this stage is worth 2,800 Ghana cedis to the team. That is 700 Ghana cedis each to the 3 contestants and their coordinator. I hope you'll be working hard for that. NSMQ Star. Thank you very much, Prudential Life Insurance, for the NSMQ Star. All right, so in this round, I'm going to be presenting you with a single question. From the time I ask you to begin, you will have 4 minutes to present a single answer from your school on the boards behind you. The problem of the day, as mentioned, is worth 10 points. Contestants, you may now rise. Please drop all pens. Now, kindly pick up your sheets. And at this stage, we are only reading the problem of the day. Problem of the day. Find the coordinates of the turning points of the curve. Y is equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 20. Identify the maximum and minimum points. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and resume your seats. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the points, let's look at the suggested solution from the consultants. This is a problem from mathematics. Contestants were to find the coordinates of the turning points of the curve y is equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 20. They were to identify the maximum and minimum points. Okay. First of all, in order to find the turning point, you must differentiate this function, right? The curve. So we get dy dx, which is equal to 12x cubed minus 12x squared minus 24x. We factorize. We'll get 12x multiplying the expression x squared minus x minus 2. Now we factorize that expression. So we will get dy dx is equal to 12x multiplying x minus 2 multiplying x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Now, in order to get the turning points, you look at each of the terms, right? So if you look at the 12x, you set that to 0, you will get x is equal to 0. That's one of the turning points, the x value for one of the turning points. If you set x minus 2 to 0, you will get the x value for one of the turning points to be 2. And if you set x plus 1 to 0, you will get the last of the turning points to have an x value of -1. If you get this far, 3 points. All right. So now we need to find the y coordinates. At least we know the x coordinates. Let's find the y coordinates. We simply get those by substituting the x coordinates that we have calculated. So when x is equal to 0, we find that y is equal to 20. So the first turning point, and the way you show a point is to have coordinates of the point. So the first point is 0, 20. The second one, where the x coordinate is 2, you get y to be 48 minus 48 minus 32 minus 48 plus 20, and this results in -12. So the point itself is 2, -12. Okay, the third one, where the x coordinate is -1, you substitute once again. You will get y is equal to 3 plus 4 minus 12 plus 20, and this gives you 15. So the point, the coordinates of the point is -1, 15. All right. Now, contestants were to identify the maximum and minimum points. All right. Anyway, so at this stage, we know that the turning points are 0, 20, 2, -12, and -1, 15. These are the coordinates. If you gather them for me like this, you get 3 points. Now, to decide whether these points are maximum or minimum, you take the second derivative. So d squared y dx squared is equal to, you go back to the original curve. So it's equal to 36x squared minus 24x minus 24. If you're able to differentiate and get to the second differential, you get 1 point. Now, let's look at them, the points. For x equals 0, this second differential is less than 0. And so the first point, 0, 20, is a maximum point. If you're able to arrive at this, 1 point. Let's look at the second one. For x equals 2, the second differential is greater than 0. And so the point 2, -12 is a minimum point, 1 point. And finally, for x equals -1, the second differential is greater than 0, and so the point with coordinates -1, 15 is a minimum point. One more point, making a total of 10 points. That was the expected solution to the problem of the day. Now, contestants. Honestly, I thought I was giving everybody a very good opportunity to get the NSMQ star. I really thought so. I thought I was giving this group a gift. All that was needed was to keep your head down, do things systematically, pay attention to detail, and collect an NSMQ star. My people refused to do it. Now let's see, Swedru. You were able to find the x-coordinates of the 3 turning points, the x-coordinates, 0 to -1. You get 3 points for that. When it came to the actual points, the coordinates of the points, unfortunately, I don't know what went wrong. Lack of attention to detail, because you only got one of them right. The first one, which was 0, 20. The other two are wrong. You have 2, 12, and then -1, 19. These are not the correct turning points. And so you get 1 out of 3 there. Then you went ahead and did the second differential. Remember, it was only worth 1 point. So differentiating twice, you had that differential right. That's 1 more point. And then even the first point, you were not able to identify whether it was maximum or, because you changed it to 0, -24. I don't know where that came from suddenly. And so I can't add anything else. That means you have 5 out of 10. Pope John, you identify the x-coordinates of the turning points, 3 points. Then I don't know what happened to you. The one with the x-coordinate 2. Remember, the answer is a coordinate, right? The coordinate of a point. And you basically had a problem, right? You had a problem getting all of the 3. And so one of them is incorrect. And so you are getting 2 out of the 3 for this part, right? The points. One of them was not correct at all. Okay. Second differential, you were able to get that, 1 point. And then for x, the x-coordinate being 0, that one, the 0, 20, you had that one right. You were able to identify that it's a maximum point. The rest of the time, I was not sure. I don't think you even got to them, right? So that is the end of your success story. That gives you 7 out of 10. Okay. Oh my goodness, and Mpraeso broke my heart. Because they did everything right. The only thing was they did not get to one of the points. The point with coordinates 2, -12. They couldn't figure out whether it was a maximum or minimum point. Other than that, everything else was right. And so they have 9 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3.
Yeah. See, no one knows tomorrow. Anything can happen. Once more, yeah, go fit enjoy to sorrow. In such times, we rely on insurance. Charlie, no need to borrow. Make I tell you about this fresh insurance way go be safe tomorrow. You fit do it with Momo. See, make a krawa. Monthly premium as low as 3 CD. Make a krawa. You can do it on your mobile phone. Easy. Make a krawa. krawa. Star 778 hash on MTN, make a krawa. Covers death policy, accidental death, make.
Thank you. Before we move to the next round, Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary would like to effect a substitution. Bentel, it's been a pleasure having you. Best wishes to you. And now in comes David. You're welcome, David. Please settle quickly so we can begin the round. Round 4. This is the Jupe True or False round. The True or False round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. At stake in the round is the Jupe Money Transfer $20 US dollar promo. During the NSMQ season, whenever alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, Jupe rewards the school with $20 US for developmental projects in the school. Alumni are therefore encouraged to check the NSMQ social media pages for their school's promo codes and keep sending the money. Thank you very much, Jupe. All right, for this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, pardon? We don't give scores for. You see that we are all very tired. We are exhausted. All right. So I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive your statement, kindly consider the statement carefully and let me know whether the statement is true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. The school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, the 2 full points. If it's incorrect, there's that penalty, 1 point. Every once in a while, we will have a statement that requires a bit of time. When that is the case, I will let you know so that you have your 30 seconds instead of the usual 10 seconds. Best wishes, everyone. I'm starting with you, Mpraeso, your statement. Short day plants require short period of darkness and long light hours before blooming. Yes, Elvis?
False.
You're right. Pope John, short day plants are stimulated for flowering when the dark period is disrupted by a flash of light. David?
False.
Yes. Swedru, gibberellic acid induces flowering in short day plants. Andrews?
False.
You're right. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. One end of a meter stick rests on a rough horizontal floor, whilst the other end rests against a rough vertical wall, so that the stick makes an acute angle with the wall. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. One more time. One end of a meter stick rests on a rough horizontal floor, whilst the other end rests against a rough vertical wall, so that the stick makes an acute angle with the wall. All right. So in Mpraeso, the weight of the meter stick is balanced by the normal force on the stick from the floor. Rosalinda?
False.
You're right. The normal force on the end of the stick in contact with the floor is balanced by the normal force on the end against the wall. David?
False.
You're right. The normal force on the end against the wall is balanced by static friction at the end of the stick in contact with the floor. Andrews?
True.
You're right. Mpraeso, all hydrogen atoms in pentanal are bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. Rosalinda.
False.
You're right. The geometry of carbon-2 in hexanal is trigonal planar. David?
False.
You're right. 3-octenal has 2 double bonds only.
True.
That's incorrect. Oh, what did you say again?
True.
Yes, it's true. It's true. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. The given quadrilateral is cyclic. That's the preamble. The given quadrilateral is cyclic. Mpraeso, rhombus. Yes, Rosalinda.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Kite. David?
False.
Yes. Yes, Rosalinda.
True.
Yes. Both ligaments and tendons are connective tissues. David?
True.
Yes. Both ligaments and tendons are part of the musculoskeletal system.
True.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. The direction of motion of a particle changes without a change in the particle's speed. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. The direction of motion of a particle changes without a change in the particle's speed. Now, in Mpraeso, the change in the velocity of the particle is 0. Rosalinda?
True.
No, that's a false statement. The particle moves along a circle. Yes, David?
False.
You're right. The magnitude of the changing velocity of the particle is 0.
True.
That's incorrect. It's a false statement. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. If a zinc rod is placed in a copper 2-sulfate solution, that's the preamble. I hope you got it. Yes, you did. Mpraeso, zinc dissolves spontaneously into solution. Rosalinda?
True.
You're right. Copper metal will deposit on the zinc rod. David?
True.
You're right. The blue color of the solution will intensify over time.
False.
Yes. Last set of statements. You get 30 seconds and you have a short preamble. Preamble. The points A, B, and C are collinear. That's the preamble. The points A, B, and C are collinear. All right. Mpraeso, A has coordinates -2, 1. B has coordinates 1, 4. And C has coordinates 4, 7. Yes, Rosalinda? True. You're right. Please, there are some people back there having a nice conversation disturbing us. Pope John, A has coordinates -2, -3. B has coordinates 2, 3. And C has coordinates -1, 6. David?
False.
You're right. Last statement of the round with the same preamble. A has coordinates 3, 1. B has coordinates -1, -3. And C has coordinates 1, -1. Andrews?
False.
No, it's a true statement. And that's the end of the 4th round.
Hello, alumni around the world. We are JuPay Money Transfer, a remittance organization that makes it easy to send funds from USA, UK, and Canada to Ghana. Last year, we proudly sponsored the National Science and Math Quiz and supported schools through our promo code initiative. Indeed, it was an honor to visit the schools, the teachers, coordinators, and the brilliant students. We are excited to discover the amazing project the schools are going to use our presentations for. This year, we are excited to continue. For every use of your school's promo code, your alma mater receives $20 to support developmental projects and initiatives. Send money, support your school, and make a difference today. Meet a need, send via JuPay.
Dear Muggers, please download the JuPay app and use the promo code SCIENCE when sending money down to Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you, JuPay Money Transfer.
Money, I need, send fire to pay, charm it to pay.
At the end of the 4th round, Swedru Secondary School has 18 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 27 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 47 points. Round 5. In this round, we have the Girls Super Bonanza. At this stage, every riddle counts. If you solve all 4 riddles, you get 2,000 Ghana cedis. If you solve 3 out of 4, you get 1,600 Ghana cedis. If you solve 2, you get 1,000 Ghana cedis. And if you solve even 1, you get 500 Ghana cedis. The Goil Super Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil Good Energy. Thank you, Goil. All right. In this round, obviously, we are going to solve riddles. I will be reading out the clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. To solve a riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Mpraeso? Thank you. Yours, Pope John. Thank you. And yours, Swedru. When you ring, the answer must be ready. I will not wait. Best wishes, everyone. First riddle. I was a British physician. I was born in Torpoint, Cornwall, the youngest of 7 children of a merchant. I was a pioneer of the use of photography in hospitals. Aside from my contribution to medicine, I was ahead of my time in being prepared to accept the advancement of women in medicine. I published an almost forgotten book on the education and training of the feeble in mind. I am best known for my description of the genetic condition Down syndrome. Yes, Jude?
John Langdon Down.
You're right. I was reading the 6th clue. 3 points. Next one. I am a set of figures. I have nothing to do with geometrical figures. I am useful in computation. I am an indication of the level of precision. I have a numerical. Yes, David?
Significant figures.
You're right. I was reading the 5th clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a physics apparatus. I am employed in demonstrations of Newton's second law of motion. I was invented by an Englishman whose name I bear. I am composed of 2 masses. Yes, Mpraeso Elvis.
An outward machine. Outward machine.
Yes. I was reading the 4th clue, 3 points. Last one. I am an established structure and order in chemistry. I separate the shiny and strong from the brittle and weak. I contain hydrogen and oxygen, but not water. I help predict chemical reactions. I am made up of non-metals, metalloids, and many metals. Yes, Andrews.
Periodic table.
You are right. I was reading the 5th clue, 3 points, and that's the end of the 5th round. announce the final scores, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN. Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Trustar AI, Adanse Travels, Rande, Kivo Gari, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hascom, GTP, and YFM. Now for the scores. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Swedru Secondary School has 21 points. Mpraeso Senior High School has 30 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 53 points. Swedru Secondary School, thanks for being here. Unfortunately, we must say goodbye. Best wishes to you. As you go, you are taking away some prizes. You get from the GOL Super Bonanza 500 Ghana cedis for solving a riddle. And then from the Momo Money Zone, you get 840 Ghana cedis. Best wishes to you. Mpraeso Senior High School, thank you for being here. We must say goodbye to you as well. All the best. Well, you are also taking away some awards or rewards. From the GOL Super Bonanza, you earned 500 Ghana cedis for solving a riddle. From the Money Zone, you earned 1,200 Ghana cedis. Best wishes to you as well. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary. Congratulations on winning the contest. You have booked an appointment with me for the semi-finals. I look forward to seeing you. As you go, here is what you take along. You have 1,000 Ghana cedis from the Super Bonanza for solving 2 riddles. Then from the Money Zone, you have 2,120 Ghana cedis. Now, if your total score happens to be the highest score for the day, you also will be winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 3,000 Ghana cedis. Let's watch and see, okay? All right. So congratulations once again. Best wishes. And I look forward to seeing you in the semi-finals. Well done. All right. Viewers, thank you so much for joining us for this quarterfinal contest. We are still in the quarterfinals. We are not yet done. Next time, we will bring you Abetifi Presby Senior High School, St. John's School, and St. Augustine's College. Please plan to be with us for that contest. In the meantime, my name is Elsie Kaufman, and I have been your quiz mistress. This has been a Primetime production. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time. Bye.
Good energy brings you quality choices with GOL Super XP. Available in many GOL stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a GOL station today and energize your ride with GOL Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. GOL Super XP. Wufilia. Huh? Wubefi. GOL. Good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Boss, let's go back. Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
No one knows tomorrow. Anything can happen. Once more, yeah, we go fit enjoy to sorrow. In such times, we rely on insurance. Charlie, no need to borrow. Make I tell you about this fresh insurance way go fit save tomorrow. You fit do what we momo. See, make a krawa. Monthly premium as low as 3 CD. Make a krawa. You can do it on your mobile phone. Easy. Make a krawa. Star 778 hash on MTN. Make a krawa. Covers death policy. Accidental death. Make
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adra. What? I shock safe. Adra, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Show me to pay.
JUPE Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the JUPE app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the JUPE train. JUPE Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via JUPE.
Show me to pay.
We are